Hi gorgeous, stylish scarf ideas for my stylish YouTube family. So here we are using a long scarf and a hook. You can also use a double ring as I have mentioned in the earlier videos. So these are available in different styles and in different designs. Simply pass both of the sides through the hook and your look is done. In the next one, you can also pull both of the sides through the holes of hook along both of the sides like this. Pull both of the sides and set them, and your look will be ready. It looks very stylish and decent. It is very easy to do. If you are not having double ring, you can use 2 rings at a time to make this look. So set it and it is done. I hope you are going to like it. The next one is also very easy. We are using a long scarf. Bend your scarf from middle and make a loop. Now wear it and pass both of the sides through the loop and set it. It is so simple and decent one. So here comes the next one. Wear your scarf, tie a simple knot, now roll its one side like this and wrap it along the other side. Hold the first side and wrap the side you have rolled around it like this. Now secure it, passing it under the scarf and set it. And your look is ready. It looks very beautiful too. So here comes the next one. Wear your scarf. Now fold its one side. Hold it. Take the other side and wrap it around the folded part. Now secure it. Tie a simple knot to secure. Now set the other side. Pull it. Set the shape of bow and it is done. It is also quite easy to do. So next we are using a square scarf. Wear it. Set it like this and tie a simple knot, simple double knot. Now set it under your collar and your look is done. So simple and easy. So in the next one, wear your scarf and tuck in both of the sides of scarf to opposite direction under your shirt and it is done. So next one is also very easy. Cross both of the sides and make a loop of its one side. Now take both of the sides and pass them through the loop and set it, and it is done. So in the next one, make a loop again, repeating the same process, and pass the other side through it and make a loop again and pass both of the sides through the second loop, and your beautiful look is ready. I hope you are going to like it. In the next look, hold its one side and wrap it around your neck. Now take both of the sides, cross them and pass the other side under the scarf. Hold it to make a loop and pass both of the sides through the loop to the opposite direction. Pull both of the sides and your look is done. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Love you all.